Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to practice brushing our teeth. It's a toothpaste explosion! Tiago's tips. One of the most important things to learn as a kid is how to brush your teeth. You have to take care of our teeth. They're very important. I'm going to show you how to brush your teeth. And I'm going to teach you how to use the electric toothbrush and the regular toothbrush. Don't worry about electric toothbrush, it's not going to zap you. Of course you need a toothbrush because what can you do? You're just going to get a regular brush and brush your teeth? That doesn't make any sense. You need a brush that might be able to do that job. Let's get started. Step 1, you got to add some toothpaste to your toothbrush. Not too much. Make sure you put some water on the toothbrush. And now you brush. You don't want to brush too rough, and you want to make sure to get all your teeth. Make sure you get the top teeth and the bottom. Now you gotta brush your front too. Don't be shy, it's gonna get messy. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, you don't wanna swallow the toothpaste unless you wanna get sick. And don't bite the toothbrush. Don't go too rough, nice and gentle. At least 2 minutes. Now we rinse our brush and our mouth. Oh, first I rinse around my brush. The toothpaste is taking a bath. Oh, then we're gonna rinse out our mouth. Start there, toothbrush. Let the water run and use your hands to scoop up the water. Don't swallow the water. Then squeeze it out. Then we're gonna get some kids' mouthwash. Be careful with this stuff. You don't want to swallow it. You just want to wash your mouth out. That's the only thing you want to do. Now put some in your mouth. Not too much. And wash your mouth out. That's good. Now I'm going to show you how to use the electric toothbrush. That's for older kids. First you go about this toothbrush, then the electric toothbrush. Start right there, just in case we need you. Let's run on some water and then add some toothpaste. And for example, this toothbrush needs batteries and don't worry if it gets all the water, it won't damage the toothbrush. A little bit at a time. That's okay. Oh wait, I didn't open the toothpaste. Okay, there it is. Oh, wait, that's too much. Oopsies.
It's okay.
Oopsies.
Oh, there you go.
It's a toothpaste explosion. Now that I have toothpaste on it, let's get started. Do it very slow. And let the toothbrush do the work. Make sure to move it to the bottom and the top and front. Remember, don't swallow the toothpaste. And now, turn it off. Make sure you brush for 2 minutes and then rinse off the toothbrush. And you rinse out your mouth. There you go, and that's how you brush your teeth. You have a regular toothbrush and an electric toothbrush. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.